Birds can be clever, persistent visitors in gardens and crop fields, but you don't need expensive equipment to protect your plants. Here are simple, low-cost, and effective hacks to keep birds away while staying garden-friendly. A fake owl decoy is an effective bird-scaring method because owls are natural predators that many smaller birds instinctively avoid. When placed in a garden or field, the decoy gives birds the impression that a real owl is guarding the area, making them reluctant to land or feed on crops. For best results, the owl should be positioned in a high, open spot where it is clearly visible, such as on a pole or fence. Moving the decoy every few days and choosing one with rotating heads or reflective eyes helps maintain its effectiveness. Bird scare tape is a simple yet effective deterrent that works by combining light reflection, movement, and sound to frighten birds away from gardens and crops. The tape is made from shiny, reflective material that flashes in the sunlight and produces a rustling noise when blown by the wind, creating an environment birds find unsettling. When hung loosely across plants, fences, or poles, the constant motion and bright reflections make birds feel unsafe and discourage them from landing. Motion-activated sprinklers protect gardens and crops from birds by using sudden movement and bursts of water to startle them away. When birds enter the sensor's range, the sprinkler automatically sprays water, creating an unexpected disturbance that birds find frightening but harmless. Motion-activated sprinklers also help water plants, making them a practical and environmentally friendly solution for protecting gardens and crop areas. Netting and mesh are among the most reliable ways to protect gardens and crops from birds because they create a physical barrier that prevents birds from reaching plants. When placed over fruit trees, vegetable beds, or seedlings, the netting allows sunlight, air, and rain to pass through while keeping birds out. To be effective, the netting should be securely fastened around the edges so birds cannot slip underneath, making it a safe, long-term, and bird-friendly solution. With a little creativity and regular adjustment, you can protect your garden, improve yields, and maintain a healthy, bird-friendly environment.